Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about privacy project. Okay, so this particular airdrop is expected one, but we'll be able to mint their NFT currently. So I'll show you how we can mint their NFT and earn the points. So soon we might get the airdrop for the points that we are generating here, and this particular project have raised literally $5 million in the fundraise. And main thing about here is Binance Lab have invested in this project. Okay, so that's what we need to look into this one. And recently they launched their app also. We'll be able to go and download their app and verify ourselves. So I'll show you how we can verify and mint the NFT and all. And before we see about all these things, and if this is your first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys, and like this video and continue watching it. That's all I'm asking from you. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, must to follow me here also. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the video guys. So first of all, I'll show you how we can install the app and complete all the verification process and all, and after that we'll be able to do this Galaxy task also. Okay, so you must complete the Galaxy task also. It's very simple. All you have to do is just come inside and go and follow their Twitter account and complete the follow thing, and come back here and do the recheck, and then it will be done. So guys, once you complete all the tasks now, you'll be able to claim the points. Okay, so like this you gotta complete each and every task. Okay, so here the next task will be very simple. Just visit the page and then come back here, and then we'll be able to claim it. Okay, so do this one guys, and I'll be showing you how we'll be able to do the task in the app. Okay, so in order to do that, it will be available on Play Store and App Store. Okay, so once you click on the link, it will take you to this App Store download page. Okay, so you can download it from Play Store, otherwise App Store. Okay, so I'm going to download it from App Store. So once you click on that, it will get downloaded, and click on open. Then finally it will be opening up like this. And firstly we need to create an account. Okay, so just click on create an account and tick mark both of these things, and just agree the terms. Okay, so and then click on continue, and then you need to fill up all your details. Okay, so type the name what you want to give. So guys, just fill up all your details and then enter the password, and finally it will ask for the referral code. You will be able to copy the referral code from the description, at the same time inside my Telegram channel also, and copy and paste the referral code. Then only you'll be able to click on the next. So just click on got it and continue, and once you click on that, hold on while we get everything set up. Okay, so we need to wait for a moment because currently it's getting setting up. Okay, so guys, once it got done now, in order to recover your account, you need to do the backup using your Google Drive or else local storage. Okay, I'm going to do it on the local storage. So guys, once you successfully backed up your account now, so just come here and click on next, and here you can see congratulations, you have successfully created privacy wallet. Okay, so now we can hold our human likeliness NFT. Okay, so just click on go to app, and then it will take you here, and early active user will get 300 stars for helping us improve. So just click on check my reward. So here you can see guys, successfully it got open. Okay, so now we'll be able to earn all the points. Okay, so now firstly we'll be able to mint our NFT. Okay, so just click on proof, and the proof section on top you can see verify your human likeliness. Okay, so if we complete it, we'll be able to get 400 stars. So just click on mint NFT and click on got it and continue. Okay, so once you click on got it and continue, now you need to start your scan. Now you need to scan your face in order to mint this NFT. Okay, so just scan your face. So guys, once you successfully scan your face, no, it will be done. Congratulations, your human mint your NFT now you can mint your NFT. Okay, but just click on mint NFT. In order to mint the NFT, you need to have the balance of 0.025 Solana. Okay, so you must have this balance in your account. So I'm going to send it from my my wallet. Okay, so just click on the space and click on the crypto, and click on receive button and copy the address. Okay, so I'm going to send 0.03 Solana to that address. Okay, so just send it. Once you send it, we'll be able to receive it in that account. Okay, so send it from your phantom wallet or from any exchanges. So once you receive the balance, we'll be able to complete the task. Okay, so just wait for a few moments. So now here you can see guys, we received the balance. Now we'll be able to mint this NFT. Okay, so now click on mint, and then give the password and mint your NFT. Okay, so once you click on mint NFT, your NFT will get minted. So currently you can see guys, please allow minute for the transaction transaction to process, and then our NFT will be in our space. Okay, so we have successfully minted our NFT now. So if you go to the reward section, we'll be able to see the reward. Okay, so since our NFT is not yet arrived in our wallet, it will take some time and then it will get updated there. Okay, so now you can see guys, we received the early bird points also, and mint your first NFT also. We have minted it and got the points, and now liveliness test is there. Okay, so you'll be able to get this also. Again, click on the proof, and the below you can see testify your liveliness, and click on this one and again complete the test. Okay, so you just need to, so again you need to scan your face. So once you scan it, then you'll be able to get this 100 extra star points also. Okay, and apart from that, if you want to earn points, you can refer your friends and then you'll be able to earn points. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to earn the points from inside this privacy app. Okay, so Binance Lab have invested, that's why I'm making currently this video. So don't miss this one guys, so must try this one, try to claim the NFT. Okay, so pretty much that's it guys in this video, and don't forget to complete the Galaxy task also. You'll be able to get those links inside my Telegram channel itself, so go there and get the link and complete your Galaxy task also. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.